Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing really well. Just a really quick update on my FUE hair transplant that took place nearly a year ago now. How time flies. So it was actually done on the 7th of September of 2020. So yeah, I wanted to give you a really quick update. I haven't had much chance recently to upload a new video, but I think quite a few people are interested to find out how things are progressing. So yeah, it's a really quick one. What I have also done is I've edited down all of those videos from last year, which were documenting my progress post FUE procedure, and I've put them in bite-sized chunks on a new channel, which is specifically for my hair transplant videos. Guys, if these videos have been of help to you in the past, please go along and give me a subscribe. It would be really helpful, and I'd appreciate it very much. But without further ado, let me give you a quick close-up of how things are looking. So yeah, just got a little bit of wax in my hair. It is naturally thick and curly anyway, but it is behaving in exactly the same way as my natural hair and my previous hair before I actually started to lose the hair on the hairline. It's pretty much behaving exactly the same as it used to do before I started to experience hair loss. So the hairline at the front looks really thick and bushy. It's amazing now. I went for a haircut yesterday and it's just such a different experience to be able to walk out of there and feel really confident, have some hair to style, whereas before I was just kind of doing a bodge job with a comb over, which isn't great really. So yeah, I'm really pleased. I'll give you a quick look at the crown as well. The crown, in my eyes, is decent. I was always aware that there was a compromise with my procedure, whereas if I wanted really thick, good density at the front, I may have to compromise with just a spread of hair follicles, grafts in the crown area. But for me, I'm really pleased with the results on the crown. It looks miles better than it did. And yeah, I'm absolutely delighted. So guys, I hope this has been helpful to you. If you are thinking about having the procedure done, then please do drop me an email. I'll put my email correspondence in the description box below this video. I've also set up a new YouTube channel and also a new website. So guys, please do go along and have a look at those. Any questions, let me know. If you've had the procedure done and you want to learn more about my experience, then I'm always happy to help. I'm always happy to chat with people. But also if you are looking to get the procedure done, then I can point you into the right direction, and you can be rest assured that you will get a really good job just like mine. So guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Until the next time, see you later, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And one more time, I have got a new channel. Have a look in the description box below this video, and please do give me a subscription if possible. Guys, take care, and I will see you on the next one.